Hi everyone, today we're looking into a very important topic, something that affects everything on this planet, of where there are read everyday newspaper about it, causing demands to earth and increasing every passing years. Yes, is it the problem of environmental pollution? But what is exactly this pollution? Why this matter such a big concern?
Pollution comes in a variety of different ways. It may come in the water, in the land, in the air, in the smell, or even in the noise. However, those are not the worst of our problem. Pollution can run our ozone layer. This pollution can prevent plants from growing and even kill our animals. And today, I would like to highlight what is the water pollution. Water pollution is not something that only comes from one source. It comes from many, and those include wastewater sewage, marine dumping, and industrial pollution. This includes all pollution. Wastewater are very dangerous both for your health and the health of your ecosystem. Sungai Janggut at Ceram Selangor is one of the places that have issue in water pollution. The main issue at Sungai Janggut is greasy, visible, even smelly.
Hi, so currently we are in Kampung Sungai Janggut. I'm Siti Hajar. I will tell you about the existing situation right now, the real situation in Kampung Sungai Janggut. Let's go! Currently, we are in Kampung Sungai Janggut. The local authority in charge for this area is Kuala Selangor District Council. Mostly, the zoning area for this Kampung Sungai Janggut is industrial and agriculture. Based on what we have investigated, there are 3 to 5 heavy industry that has been found in this Kampung Sungai Janggut. Supposedly, the buffer zone between industry and residential is 500 meters. However, based on what we have investigated in this kampung, the buffer zone between residential and industry is only 100 meters.
Hi, my name is Nurin and I will show you how this factory will cause air pollution and water pollution to Sungai Janggut, Kuala Selangor.
At this Sungai Janggut area has many factories such as Pleasure Latex Product, Perusahaan Getah Asas, Gold Breeze Corporation, and also Kilang Prabot Maximum Max. Factory are primary pollution produced by sulfur monoxide and also carbon monoxide. This can cause fine particles suspended in the air.
From the statistic of Kuala Selangor says 165 units of factory has built up at this Sungai Janggut area. So this is the cause of people work to this place.
Factories built near water sources may contribute to water pollution, which causes from removing waste product to the river.
So, we will tell you about the causes of water pollution at Kampung Sungai Janggut, Kuala Selangor. So here, the main causes of water pollution are by man-made and causes by increasing industrial and human activities. Mostly the water bodies get polluted with municipal, industrial and agricultural waste. Usually, every water body has a certain capacity. Meanwhile, other human-generated water pollution sources included oil spill, radioactive waste, marine dumping, and synthetic toxic chemicals. So, there are two sources of water pollution, which is point sources and non-point sources. Point sources is a discharge pipe on domestic or industrial sewage into a water pollution. Non-point source pollution can be generated through many different sources like land runoff, precipitation, atmospheric evolution, drainage, or hydrological modification. Some of the major causes of water pollution such as domestic sewage, industrial wastewater, and agricultural waste and runoff.
The effect of water pollution are varied and depends on what chemicals are dumped and in which locations. Many water bodies near urban areas are highly polluted. Eventually, humans are affected by this process as well. People can get disease such as hepatitis by eating seafood that has been poisoned in many poor nations.
Now, I will tell you about the effect of water pollution in ecosystem and plant.
Ecosystem. What is ecosystem? Ecosystem refer to environmental of life. Ecosystem is a place where all the biotic and abiotic factors live together by depending on each other. Chemical fertilizers and fertilizers can kill various types of aquatic life. These polluted animals disturb life such as fish, shrimp, crabs, shellfish, and so on. If these fish are eaten by humans, it will have a bad effect on humans like people will get food poisoning and others. Water pollution also can affect on plant. With increased chemical contamination such as nitrate and phosphate, it can cause ram damage in the water system, thereby altering the habitat of aquatic.
Pada pendapat saya, pencemaran air bukan sahaja memberi kesan kepada manusia, ianya juga memberi kesan kepada hidupan akuatik.
Pendapat saya, kesan pencemaran air ni mampu untuk menjejaskan ekonomi penduduk di kawasan sekitar ni. Kebanyakan penduduk kat sini adalah nelayan dan juga peniaga di pasar. Jadi bagi nelayan, dia tak mampu untuk mengumpul hasil laut yang banyak disebabkan oleh pencemaran air ni. Jadi untuk kesan pada peniaga pula, orang jadi tak nak singgah kedai dia sebabkan bau busuk yang datang daripada air.
Pandangan saya, pencemaran air berpunca daripada pembuangan sisa domestik oleh masyarakat setempat.
Pendapat saya, pencemaran air berlaku disebabkan oleh sisa toksik daripada kilang. Based on the interviewers that we had interviewed, most of them giving their opinion by the causes and effects. So, the causes, water pollution is due to the factory residual waste, and water pollution are often causes of the waste by the local residents.
The effect of water pollution is part of the population working as a fisherman as well as traders. If the fishermen could affect the revenue collected from the sea, while the traders may cause people not to visit their store because of the smell pollution. And water pollution not only affect on humans but also on animals. That is, water life will be reduced due to contaminated and shallow water sources.
So, the conclusion is Sungai Janggut has a very high environmental pollution. Mostly it's because of industrial. And they realized that this could become a major problem and are trying to reduce it in the future.
Pollution. First, do not dump in or around river.
Dumping is one of the leading causes of water pollution. Second, clean and maintain septic system properly. Septic tank will eventually leak and human waste become exposed to groundwater. Third, follow all water law and regulation. These regulation and law are in place for a reason. Breaking the rule put for dispose of pesticide and chemical properly. Never pour these substances out in your yard or in storm drain, the sink or in the toilet. All of these pipes and drains lead to water sources and eventually chemical enter the water supply too.
Hi, I'm Ika.
Hi, I'm Nira.